Hey y'all, so today I'm sharing a pattern of this triangle headband. You'll need weight for yarn, a 5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle for weaving in a couple ends, and scissors. We're going to start off with chaining a multiple of 6 and then adding 1. I did a length of 61, but I recommend chaining something around that and then measuring it on your head before continuing so you know it'll fit. I also have a headband sizing chart in the description. If you can't quite get the correct size using a multiple of 6 plus 1, then at the end you can always single crochet a little band to make it longer and wear that part on the back of your head where no one will see it. Don't forget to chain 1 and then turn, and then for round 2 we're just going to single crochet across the entire chain. Again, chain 1 and turn your work. Then for round 3, this is where the triangle happens, well, half of it. I'm going to leave it real time and then slowly speed up the footage so you have time to see what's happening because it's a little bit complicated. This will all be worked in a sequence. So to start, you'll skip 2 stitches and then you'll work the following all into 1 stitch. You'll do 3 double crochets, which I'm working on the 3rd one now, and then you're going to chain 3. Then you're going to slip stitch into the 3rd stitch from your hook, the 3rd chain. And then you're going to add 3 more double crochets into that stitch. So as you can see, we have this little triangle here. Then next, you're going to skip 2 more stitches and then just repeat what we did until the very end of the row. So at the end you should have something that looks like that. You're going to chain 1 and turn once again. And then for round 4 we're going to do the exact same thing as the last time, but on the back side of the chain. You'll put the double crochet sequence into the back side of the hole where you put it in the first round, and you'll put the single crochet into the back side of the hole where you put it in the first round. And you'll do this until the end of the chain. So here it is all complete. And then you're going to put the two ends together and you'll just slip stitch them together so that it forms a circle headband. And this is where if you wanted to make it longer, then you can just make a little band by single crocheting one of the ends of the triangle and then slip stitching that band to the other side. Now our final step is just weave in these couple of ends that we have. And then the headband's complete. Thank you guys so much for watching.